Hi! In front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, click on display and brightness over here, scroll all the way down, and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!